My name is Sri Satya Singh Satpathy. Today I will teach complex number. It is belongs to NCERT CBSE syllabus in 11th standard part 1 book. Okay. Complex number. It is denoted by capital C. C is a set of complex number. The notation is Z, written in the express in the form Z equal to X plus IY. X belongs to real number, Y belongs to real number, and I is called imaginary number, that is equal to root over of minus y. So the mathematician Euler has introduced the imaginary number I, which is equal to root over of minus y. Now, how the complex number is coming, where it is coming? Everybody know the quadratic equation, everybody know x square minus 1 equal to 0, x square equal to 1, x equal to plus minus 1. You see, real number. In so many quadratic equations, you are getting real number. The results are real number. But some quadratic equations are there, you will get complex roots, which is not solved. So, that equation x square plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation, quadratic equation. Everybody know what is quadratic equation? X square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x square plus 1 0, x square equal to minus 1, x equal to plus minus root over minus 1 plus minus I. You see, from this quadratic equation you will get the imaginary number, that is the roots. So here Euler is the mathematician who has find that how I is coming, what is its role, what is its significant role in complex number. So in complex number, when you start Z, we can denote Z1, Z2, the notations like that. Maybe Z1, X1 plus IY1, Z2, X2 plus IY2. So it is like that. And the complex number, the examples, Z equal to 2 plus 8i. What does it mean? 2 belongs to R, 8 belongs to R, and you know I equal to root over minus 1. So Z is a complex number. And you see 2 and 8 belongs to real number. So real number part is coming. In real number 5, 7. Which one is greater? 7 is greater. 5 is smaller. But in complex number, let us say 4 plus 8i, 9 plus 3i. In between these two complex numbers, which one is greater, which one is smaller? Sorry, we cannot say. We cannot say which one is greater, which one is smaller in complex number. Only we can say Z1 equal to Z2. If it is Z1, if it is Z2, then Z1 equal to Z2. It means that equate the real part, equate the imaginary part. So, in complex number, order axiom property does not satisfy. That's why we cannot say which one is greater, which one is smaller. But in real number system, order axiom property is satisfied. That's why we can say which one is greater, which one is smaller in real number. But in complex number, we cannot say. So that property is called order axiom property. So in complex number, we can represent in order pairs. 1. Real number is a complex number. 1 is a real number, it is a complex number. 1 plus 0. So it is a order pair. 1, 0. This is called order pair. How order pair is coming? It is in Argand plane, Argand diagram, 2-dimensional geometry. We can notify in geometry. -2 plus 0i. The representation like this, -2, 0. So this is called order axiom property. So whatever we have discussed, this is introduction level. Then after that we can go through properties, field axioms, multiplicative inverse, square root, how to find the nth root, and how to find the cube roots of unity, then polar form. There are so many things are there. So this is the introduction level about complex number. Thank you.